G-littered Doberman pups out at Prufenpuden Farms. Been here for a day and a half, 2 days now. And we're just continuing to expose them to all the different little odd surfaces and setups that we have out here. It really tells a lot about temperament when you look at puppies. These guys are 7 weeks old. You look at puppies and how they handle challenges at an early age. These are puppies that'll be available for sale into our amazing Build-A-Beast and Super Dog programs. If you haven't checked out those, really great documentation on our website, and we have tons and tons of video of Dobermans we've developed for clients all over the world out of our breeding program. And we train dogs for other people as well. People send us Dobermans for training, Shepherds for training, Malinois and Rottweilers for training, and just about every other imaginable breed as well. People ask about that all the time. But today we're just looking at these G-litter Doberman puppies. Each and every one of them will have a name that starts with G. It doesn't mean you can't call it whatever you want to call it, but for our record keeping, we'll name them all G. George and Georgette and Good and Great and you name it. We'll come up with some great names, you can bet on that, and some goofy silly names as well, because it's hard coming up with this many names at once. So just a little more information about the G-litter as they learn the ropes before they go to their foster homes. This is once again part of the evaluation where we decide, you know, who gets what puppy and where they're going. And that little biter needs somebody special, that's for sure. All right, more to come.